Parents, stop. The way money is handled at home determines whether kids grow up financially independent or struggle with money for years. Are these common money mistakes setting them up for failure? Most parents don't even realize they're doing these things. Stay until the end to learn the fix for each mistake, plus a simple challenge to get your teen on the right financial track today. Let's get into it. Not talking about money doesn't protect kids. It sets them up for financial confusion later. What to do? Talk about bills, saving, and budgeting openly. Let teens see how financial decisions are made, whether it's grocery shopping or comparing insurance. Encourage them to ask questions and get involved. Set up a weekly money talk at home, over dinner or in the car, and ask,
"If you had $100 right now, how would you spend it?"
Teach as you go. Question: have you ever talked openly about money with your teen? Type yes or no in the comments. Giving kids whatever they want without effort doesn't teach them the value of money. It teaches them to expect handouts. What to do? Set spending limits and encourage earning money. Offer paid tasks at home or help them find a part-time job. Match their savings contributions to reinforce smart financial habits. Quick fix. Instead of just buying the next big thing they ask for, say,
"Let's figure out a way for you to earn it."
Watch how quickly they start thinking differently about money. If teens don't learn how to manage small amounts of money now, how will they handle a paycheck later? What to do? Give a set monthly allowance and let them manage it. Teach the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. Do not bail them out if they overspend. Let them feel the consequence. Teens don't know how credit cards work unless someone teaches them. If not, their first experience with debt will likely be a disaster. What to do? Explain how interest rates and minimum payments work. Show them a credit card bill. Break it down. If possible, add them as an authorized user on a credit card to build responsible habits early. Quick fix. Have your teen calculate how long it would take to pay off a $1,000 debt by making only the minimum payment. Watch their reaction. Every year that goes by without learning this lesson makes it harder to fix later. Start now. A teen who learns how to make money will never be financially dependent on someone else. What to do? Encourage freelancing, side hustles, or summer jobs. Teach negotiation skills, how to ask for a raise or charge for a service. Show them ways to earn beyond a 9-to-5 job. Quick fix. Help your teen start a side hustle, reselling sneakers, tutoring, or selling digital products. The first $100 they make on their own will change their mindset forever. If these mistakes have been happening at home, don't stress. Just start making changes today. Challenge for parents. Pick one mistake from this video and start fixing it this week. Comment below which mistake you'll be fixing this week. Watch this next video to learn how to teach teens about investing. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe because every teen deserves a financial head start.